What's up, everybody? Today we've got a 2024 Mazda 3. I'm going to show you how to remove the shift knob and the center console trim panel real quick. So first off, I'm going to polish this black. It's very scratched up in a low mile Mazda 3. So first off, you're going to put your foot on the brake and put it into drive. You see that little notch right here? You're going to get a tool of some sort. When you push that in, it releases the chrome cover over the button. Alright, so get that off. Now you're going to see this silver, looks like a bar. That's a clip right there. You're going to get that hook tool behind that and pull it out. Alright, took a second. My hook tool's pretty wore out here, but popped out. Now you can see it's loose. Go ahead and slide that off. Okay, I'm just going to get a hold of the side here. Put your fingers underneath the edge a little bit if you can. Pop it up, both sides. Again, I got my foot on the brake, just in case. Now we're just going to unplug it underneath. You're going to have some electronics to unplug. So I'm going to go under, look under from the passenger side. You've got 3 plugs. You got one there, one behind it there, and the third one right here. And they're going to have a little button to depress on one of the sides so that it will release. I'll show you those here in a second. Alright, so these have that little tab right there in the middle. Press it down with your thumb or a hook tool or a screwdriver and then pull it out. Each one of those has that. Okay, and you've got a fourth one right here, and that's going to have one on this side. So press that, get it out of there. Alright, so completed that. Now we got this thing out of there. To reinstall it, just reverse the process. Alright, you guys, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if I've helped you out. Don't forget to put this back into park while you're working, or shut the vehicle off. And I'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you.